How's it going everyone? Space Life here. In today's episode I'm going to show you a quick update on the garden. I'm sure you can remember a lot of our tomatoes got hit by the frost and courgettes. I'll give you a quick update. Okay, here we are checking out the garden, guys. See what the tomatoes are doing now, if they're still alive. Our foxgloves are coming out nicely. They're really cool. Yeah, check this out. See the rainbow tomatoes down here? New life! It's insane. Insane what plants can do. Crazy what plants can do. And look, more new life on this one. More new life on this one. It's almost like nothing happened. A few little shoots here. Some of them you can tell got hit a lot harder. But literally every single one in this bed is loving it now. It's crazy. Yeah. These things didn't really get affected. Turnips here. Got a couple of bees humping down here, I think. I think they got shy. Yeah, here's another patch. I added a couple of tomatoes in here. But even this one, like, there were some tomatoes that survived. You got new growth here. This little one here, new growth. And what I'm going to do with all the ones showing new growth is I only want one of the tomato stems to grow up this cane, because we don't want tomato bushes over here. We all know how that can end horribly, tomato blight. Yeah, there's plenty of shoots coming off, but I want it to focus all its energy into one shoot. So I'm going to go through all of these and pick off all the little... Our courgettes didn't do the best though, sadly. I think we might only have one survivor. This one down here started coming to life, but then for some reason, not too sure why, it just doesn't look too good. We had some in here. Our potatoes are a lot better now. You can see. Garlic. Jerusalem artichoke flowers looking cool. Sunflowers are loving life. So all in all, I think we got away with it, guys. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone that told me to keep them in the ground, because I was tempted to pull them out, to be honest. I was that sad at the time. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.